You keep hearing about the stock market, people making and losing money. But what really is a stock? Is it a rich person's playground? Is it a casino? But let me tell you that a stock is so much bigger than that. A stock is an ownership of a real company, an ownership of a business. And for a lot of people, this might be real complicated, but today I'm breaking it all down in the best way possible. This video is going to be part 1 of a new Learn Wealthy YouTube series, all about the stock market, where we will break down stock market fundamentals, what drives prices up or down, ways to actually make money in the stock market, how brokerages work, how exchanges work, technical analysis, trading tools, trading psychology, and everything you need to know to get started. Whether you're a beginner or already trading, this series will help you navigate the market with confidence. So stick around and hit the subscribe button to follow this YouTube series. What is a stock? The simplest explanation. A stock is simply a piece of a company. Think of McDonald's. You know their burgers, you know their fries, you know their drive-through lines. But did you know that you can actually own a part of this business? If you buy one share of McDonald's MCD, you literally own a tiny percentage of a company. That means if McDonald's make more money, your stocks go up in value. If McDonald's struggles, your stocks go down. You might even get dividends. These are cash payments for being an owner of that company. Think of a stock like a slice of pizza. The whole pizza is the company. If you buy a slice, you own a piece of the whole thing. A quick history of stocks. The first stock market didn't start in New York. It started in Amsterdam, year 1602. The Dutch East India Company became the first company to sell shares to the public. Now, why would you just share a piece of your company to anybody? Well, they needed to fund their ships and trading expeditions. Instead of borrowing money, they sold ownership shares to investors. In return, investors get a share of the profit. This is the exact same reasons why companies sell stocks today. It's a way for them to raise money without taking on a massive debt. By the year 1700s, stock trading spread to London. Have a good day, sir. By 1792, the New York Stock Exchange was born. What is a stock market? Well, it's just like any other market where goods are bought and sold. And in this particular market, stocks are being bought and sold. A lot of people think the stock market is like a single building where all stocks are traded. The stock market isn't a place. It's a system. Think of it like eBay or Amazon for stocks. When you buy or sell a stock, you're doing it through a marketplace where millions of people are trading at the same time. What is a stock exchange? So we've learned that a stock market is not one big place, but stock exchanges are. A stock exchange is where a stock is officially traded. The two biggest ones in the US are the New York Stock Exchange, or the NYSE. It's the largest exchange in the world, founded in 1792. Home to companies like Coca-Cola, Walmart, and McDonald's. The second largest exchange is the NASDAQ, a tech-heavy exchange where stocks are traded electronically. Home to companies like Apple, Tesla, and Amazon. What are the key differences? Well, the NYSE, or the New York Stock Exchange, has a physical trading floor where brokers trade in person. NASDAQ, however, is fully electronic. There's no shouting happening on the trading floor. There are also global exchanges like the London Stock Exchange, or the LSE, Tokyo Stock Exchange, TSE, and then we got the Shanghai Stock Exchange, or the SSE. China stock market, ours is better, made in America. What is a broker and why you need one? You can't just walk into NYSE and say, I would like to buy Tesla, please. Well, to buy stocks, you would need a middleman. And that's what a broker is. A broker is like a bridge between you and the stock market. Why do we need them? I don't know, that's just how it is. But they basically execute your trades. They connect you to buyers and sellers. They might offer tools, charts, and research. Types of brokers. Full service brokerages like Merrill Lynch. They charge high fees, but they give personalized advice. Discount brokers like Robinhood or Fidelity lets you trade for free, but offers fewer services. Pro tip: if you're starting out, use a discount broker to avoid the high fees. Why do stock prices move? Why do stock prices go up or down? Some people say it's because of narrative. Does that mean that the stock market is controlled by the gossip queens? Actually, no. Just like anything in capitalism and the free market, stock market price changes is based on supply and demand. If everybody wants to buy a Tesla stock, the price goes up. If everyone is selling Tesla stock, the price goes down. Other things that may affect stock prices: company earnings. If a company makes big profits, the stock usually rises. Economic conditions: recessions, inflation, interest rates affect the stocks. News and events: a scandal, a lawsuit, a change of CEO can send the stocks up or down. What's happening in the stock market right now? Today, the stock market is going through some rough patch. S&P down by 1.7%. Dow is down by 1.86%. NASDAQ down by 2.05%. Why? It's because of that orange man ruining our economy. All jokes and biases aside, the tech stocks have been in an all-time bubble for a while now. The whole stock market based on the Buffett indicator has been on an all-time bubble. People are having recency bias that this can go on and on and on forever. We've had the inverted yield curve for the last 2 years. And for those of you who have been watching my channel, you understand a lot of these things. But for all the new viewers, I will explain the macroeconomic side in this series and how it affects the stock market. So today we covered what a stock is, how the stock market started, a brief history, the difference between a stock market and a stock exchange, what stockbrokers do and why you need them, how stock prices go up and down. The next episode will dive into different types of stocks, because not all stocks are the same. If this video helped you, subscribe and hit the notification bell, because we're gonna go deep in this series about the stock market fundamentals. What's a stock you're curious about? Type it on the comments below. For more finance, investing, real estate, and macroeconomics, let's all learn wealthy together. I'll see you in the next video.